Welcome to 5D Ranch Crafts. Today we're going to make this beautiful Christmas decor piece. You're going to need a stretch canvas from the Dollar Tree. You're then going to take that canvas and remove it from the frame, and we're going to use the frame and save the canvas for another DIY. You're going to need some greenery. I bought mine at Walmart for 98 cents, some ribbon, some jute twine, and a Christmas ornament. Now I'm going to take my twine and just measure it to the length that I think I need and cut it off. And I do want to make sure that both of my twine pieces are the same length, and the reason being is because I am going to tie the truck up in the center of the frame, and doing so, if you keep your twine lengths the same and you tie your knot pretty in the same place, then you will be able to get a pretty straight Christmas ornament if you're using the truck. Now I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue and secure the twine to the top of the frame in the center, so that way my twine isn't sliding around. I'm also going to secure the twine to the Christmas ornament just to make sure that it's nice and secure and everything is going to stay exactly where I want it. I am using my AdTech hot glue gun from Dollar General, if anybody is wondering, and I have had it for about 3 years and it has been really great. Now I'm going to add some greenery to my frame, and I'm going to use my Cobalt needle nose pliers with the wire snips on there, and I'm just going to take those and I'm going to snip down my greenery to the size that I would like. You can put as little or as much greenery as you'd like. You can do no greenery at all here, but I just wanted to add a little bit of color other than red. Make the bow, and I'm going to use this buffalo check ribbon I got from Dollar General for $3, some burlap ribbon I got from Dollar Tree, another little skinny ribbon I got from Dollar General for $1, and some Dollar Tree garland. Thank you so much for watching 5D Ranch Crafts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos.